Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I want to turn on the camera and show you guys these Adore lashes by Ardell. You can get these at Sally's Beauty Supply. You guys can see how they look. They have a black band, and I think they are cheap, a little bit cheaper than the other lashes that they carry, the other Ardell lashes. So I thought I would just turn on the camera and put these on, pop these bad boys on, and show you how they look on the lash line on the eye, because not all lashes look the same, and I want something that has a little pop, but then again is not overwhelming. So I don't want to go with natural, and I don't believe that these are a natural look. I think that these are like an in-between natural and a dramatic. That's what I would consider this. I actually think that these look very similar to the Ardell Wispies, but let's go ahead and pop them off and see what's the difference from these and the Ardell Wispies. Okay, so these are a tad bit different. The band, it seems to be a lot more, I don't know, flexible or loose. So these are actually more bendable in the middle, which, look at that. I don't know if the other lashes like that. Let's go ahead and see if the other lashes like that. But if it's more bendable like that in the smack dab middle of the lash, it's actually gonna be easier to apply. So I'm gonna go take my handy dandy here lash holder. Let's go ahead and see if this is the correct length, or do I need to trim some? While these are drying, I'm going to pop off the other one and see if it's the same thing, if it's flexible just in the center like that, like extreme. So here is the lash. Let's go ahead and bend it and see. Oh, look at that. So it's extremely it does that extreme bend, smack dab in the middle. Now you saw how easy these were to put on. If I can find a link to these lashes, I'll post it down below, and this little tool that I cannot live without to actually put the lashes on. But what do you guys think? See, so they're so pretty. One eye with nothing, one eye with them on. They're so pretty, but they're not like tremendously thick and tremendously bold. I think they're very, very becoming on my face. And I think if you guys have similar eye shapes, that they'll be very, very becoming on you guys as well. But what do you guys think? So I love these type of lashes that give you that like they spruce up your eye look, but they're not overwhelming, like super thick, heavy. So I will post this link down below to these lashes if I can find it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video demonstration. And if you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button down there and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.